easy go.
Let's continue yung first problem about single reinforced beam. So again, this is the problem. A rectangular concrete beam 300 mm wide and 500 mm total depth is reinforced with 425 mm bars on tension side. The steel cover of the reinforcement is 65 mm. Assume Fc prime is 21 megapascal, Fy is 415 megapascal. Then use NSCP 2015. For number 3, last question, what is the required tension steel area for balanced condition? Kung naaalala natin, kung aalalahanin natin, meron tayong relationship ng steel ratio, then AS over BD. For rectangular beam, since rectangle ito, so applicable ito. Then magiging AS is equal to rho BD. Therefore, kung gagawin ko tong rho balance, si rho, gagawin kong balanced rho, times BD, ang makakompute kong AS ay balanced AS, which is yun yung tinatanong, what is the required tension steel area for balanced condition? Dito natin isulat yung rho balanced. Since merong derived formula for rho balanced, that is 0.85 Fc prime beta 1 over Fy times 600 over 600 plus Fy, isa-substitute na lang natin yung mga given values, then multiplied by BD, yun na yung magiging sagot. So, magiging AS balanced is equal to 0.85, Fc prime is 21, beta 1 is 0.85, Fy is 415, then times 600 over 600 plus Fy, that is 415 again, times BD. So, ang B natin ay 300. Then, kung babalikan mo yung previous video, previous discussion natin, ang D natin doon ay 435 mm. So, no need i-calculate pa dito. Then, may makukumpit tayong AS balance. Yun ay magiging sagot. So, 0.85 times 21 times 0.85 over 415 times 600 over 600 plus 415 times B, 300, times D, 435. The answer is 2,820.36 mm squared. This is first solution. So, tawagin muna natin itong solution number 1. Kasi, bakit kaya? Meron tayong second solution, syempre. So, tawagin natin itong solution number 1. Yung second solution, ito yung mas general approach. Kasi what if nakalimutan mo yung rho balance? Or what if hindi na maging rectangular yung cross-section ng beam? So, dito tayo dadaan. So, bali ganito ang magiging second solution. For the second solution, we will start to the C-balance formula. Yung C-balance formula ay equal sa 600D over 600 plus Fy. So, magiging C balance is equal to 600 times D na 435 over 600 plus Fy 415. The value of C balanced is 600 times 435 over 600 plus 415. The answer is 257.14. Then, makukumpit ko yung A balanced. So, that is beta 1 C balanced. Kasi kung ito ay ginagamitan ko ng balanced C, makukumpit kong A balanced na rin. So, tumutugma naman yan palagi. 0.85 times 257.14. Then, A balanced is, times lang natin ng 0.85, 218.57 mm. Once na merong A balance na tayo, babalik ako sa C is equal to T. Then, expand si C, 0.85, Fc prime. Gagamitin kong A dito is balanced A. Then, times B. Yan, lagyan natin ng parenthesis para di tayo malito. Then, yung T, mag-expand ng AS times Fy. Yan. So bakit FY? Wala na tong assumption. Sure talaga tayo na FY yan. Bakit? I-take note natin. Note. For balanced condition, the value of Fs is exactly equal to Fy. So talagang nag-yield ang bakal mo. So Fy na talaga ang gagamitin natin. Then substitute the values. 0.85, Fc prime is 21, A balance is 218.57, B is 300, then equals A is balanced, then Fy is 415. Ang unknown na lang dito ay A is balanced. Pwede mong i-shift solve, pwede rin natin i-simplify sa calcu. So 0.85 times 21 times 218.57 times 300 over 415. The answer is 2,820.34. So nagkaiba lang ng kaunti sa decimal. Pero still, magkapareho. Ang whole number dito is 2,820 and also from the first solution, ang sagot natin doon ay 2,820 rin. So kahit sino dito sa dalawa ang daanan mo, solution 1, check, or solution number 2. Yung solution number 2, ito yung mas general na approach. Kasi never akong dumaan sa row balanced. Hindi ako dumaan sa still ratio, pero still, nakuha natin yung AS na kailangan. So that is the answer for question number 3.